Hello! In this video, you'll understand how to reuse an old plastic container as an indoor pot. For that, I have applied 2 coats of acrylic paint on the container. After it gets dried completely, I have drawn a picture and marked its outlines using a permanent marker. After that, start painting the picture. I am using orange and yellow for the scarf. On the border of the scarf, I have applied yellow. For the face, brown color is applied as the base coat. And on the inner portion of face and eyelids, I have applied brown mixed with white. In this picture, the eyes are so prominent, so I have given it a realistic touch by giving some brown strokes and a white dot. Lips are also painted in the same manner. This white dot is given to show the reflection of the light. For the detailing on the scarf, I have applied yellow color using a dotting tool. Now the picture is almost complete and we have to give the outline again by using the permanent markers. Now I am painting the background using the stencil method. For the sky-like texture, cut a paper in the shape of a cloud. Using a sponge, dab some white paint in a random pattern. This trick will give an effect of clouds. After completing the picture, wait for one whole day before applying clear varnish. Since we are using this as a pot, clear varnish should be compulsorily applied. I have applied 2 coats of clear varnish. Now our work is complete and let it dry completely before filling it with soil.